We recently posted a delicious Tex-Mex taco salad. One of the presentations of that salad caught your eye and you were like, hey, how'd you guys make those tortilla salad bowls? Well, here you go. Oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take soft flour tortillas, brush them with melted butter. Add a sprinkle of your favorite Tex-Mex seasoning. Ours works really well in this recipe. Flip and repeat, but this time add a sprinkle of grated Monterey Jack cheese. Transfer the tortillas onto oven-safe bowls sitting on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Stainless bowls work really well for this. Push the tortillas down into the shape of the bowl, then to the oven. We're baking for 15 minutes or until golden. Just add your favorite Tex-Mex taco salad. Fun, fabulous, edible, cheesy salad bowls. Brilliant.